Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So since it's Friday yesterday and it's market day, street market day, I went to town to buy these flowers. So I bought some fruits as well as flowers as well as vegetables, but in this video I'll be focusing on the flowers, my flower update in my little garden, mostly pots, mostly planted on pots, in pots. So I've got these flowers. I bought this for £1 since it's not I think some of it are not so good, but if you're going to repot it and maintain it, it will become beautiful. So because I'm just going to propagate it. It's perennials. So these are the flowers that I bought. I don't know some of their names, but I'm going to search it, or I'm going to go back to the shop, to the market area next Friday if I'll be working, but I was just searching the internet what's the name of some of these flowers. Okay, so I bought these flowers and I want to transfer them to this kind of pots. The man said that this will have a yellow flower, but I don't know if it's going to have one. I think it's just the leaves, the silver leaves. This one and this one. I forgot all the names because I'm going to label it. The ones with label good, but the others don't have. See? Is it there? So that's just an update. I will try to buy more pots like that. It's not so expensive because they're just, I bought it from Poundland. So here's my petunia, stark red, and of course this is one of my favorite. I don't know why, I just like the color. So that's just an update, okay?